In this video, I will show you how to disable in-app purchases on Android. This is a great way to prevent accidental purchases, especially if you have kids who use your phone or tablet. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is open the Google Play Store. Now tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. Select Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Authentication. Next is tap on Require Authentication for Purchases. Under Require Authentication for Purchases, select For All Purchases from Google Play on this device. This will require you to enter your Google password every time you make an in-app purchase. Then you need to enter your Google password when prompted. This will confirm your changes. And that's it. You've now disabled in-app purchases on your Android device. This will prevent accidental purchases and help you save money. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.